Good morning, respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Niraj Chaudhary, currently studying in grade 9A3 to deliver today's news. Let's start with national news. National news. The government has announced a rollback on the proposed 3% levy on education and healthcare services, bringing relief to students and families across the country. And a team of Nepali youth from Kathmandu University has developed the nation's first school carbon footprint calculator, helping school measures and reduce emission for greener future. International news. 2 young Nepali students have been selected for the Global Mission Shakti Sat 2026 program in India, representing Nepal in satellite and space education technology, and Spain has successfully won the World Cup 2026 by defeating Argentina in finals. Thought of the day. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. By Martin Luther King Jr. Temperature update. Today in Kathmandu, high temperature of 27 degrees Celsius and low of 21 degrees Celsius. That is all for today's news. Thank you for your attention and have a wonderful day ahead.